All right, so it's a beautiful day. I'm out on the trike, and today I am going to take a ride to a place called Endert Beach. And I don't know if you can see the fog in the distance. It's absolutely gorgeous where I am. And south, often there is fog. It's like it gets pushed against the hills. Anybody who's ridden the Pacific Coast route will remember the very big hill out of Crescent City. And the fog often gets blocked by that hill. So that's where I'm headed. And maybe we'll see some elk. Maybe we'll see some birds. And maybe I'll get to ride in some fog. All right, Myrtle, let's go. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. All right, so I am riding on Highway 101, the Redwood Highway. And I'm already in fog, probably just a couple miles into the ride today. And this area, the weather can change very, very quickly. And it can change very quickly from just one part of town to another, even though it is a pretty small town. But, you can see it's shrouded in fog. It's high fog. It won't affect my visibility or visibility of any of the drivers. Yeah, look at this peasoup out here. Amazing. And there's a little section up here where there's often elk. So we'll see if we have any luck today. Okay, so I'm going to be turning to the right to go to Endert Beach, but to the left there's an area that the elk really like, and there's a particular tree that they like to hang out in. And let's see if they are resting behind the smoke shop. There's a lot of elk that live out here. Oh, I think you can see them. Ah, that's really great. All right, let's get off the trike and take a closer look. Okay, so that was cool. It's always so much fun to see the elk. It looked like I saw baby elk and mama elk and boy elk. So that was really cool. And then we're gonna go across the street here. to Endert's Beach. I can see the fog up against the hill in the trees shrouded in fog. It's really a beautiful road here, a little bit uphill. All right, so I've come to the end of Endert's Road, and there's a trail here. My sister and I have walked some of this trail. We didn't have time to go to do the whole thing, so I'm not really sure how long it is. But this is the last chance section of the coastal trail, and I'm hoping I can fit through here. Yes, how about that? Just fit. It's unpaved. I'm not really sure how far this trail goes. It's right on the edge of a cliff. The ocean is just below us. The waves are crashing in the fog. It's pretty cool because the trail itself is clear. A single track here, so I think this is probably about as far as I can go, but it's pretty cool, huh? All right, so I'm having quite an adventure out here today. I'm telling you, riding my trike is like so much fun. You just never know what's going to happen when you go out for a trike ride. And I've just been on this gorgeous road, followed a fabulous trail. I flew my drone. I took a lot of pictures of flowers and nature and waves. I saw elk. And now I'm on the downhill heading back to 101. Oh, it's so much fun. I'm like going like 22, 23 miles an hour. And like in this area, I have so much to explore. There's so many trails to take. Like the one I did today, I didn't even get to the end of it because it turned into single track, but it goes down to the beach and I'm really looking forward to taking it the rest of the way. And so there's just a lot to explore, and I'm really feeling very lucky to have found myself in such a beautiful, beautiful spot. So all right, you guys, I'm gonna take this trike on home, and you can see there's, I don't have to get too far and I'm back in blue skies. But I hope everybody stays safe, stays healthy, and as always, thank you for watching.